Alright, so this is a little ironic that I even have to do this. It is season 5, and we are jump starting with this. I just got this as a gift over winter break, and you can see I've got the positive connected to the positive and the negative connected to the negative, and we are jump starting the G because for whatever reason, I guess I left something on in the car. I don't know what the hell I did, but maybe my battery's going bad. Here we go. Woo! Cool. It says 99%. Yeah. Disconnect the negative. Disconnect the positive. Cover that shit up. And we are on our way over to Ryan's house because I hear that he got a new car. We're gonna go check it out. Alright, so I'm at Ryan's place. And what the? The whole driveway is filled up with cars. What's up, Ryan? The whole driveway is filled up with cars. The Subie. We have anything planned for the Subie this year? Or this season?
Maybe some exhaust work.
Okay. Got the unbusted Mazdaspeed Turbo Protege 5. Straight up fitted that. What is this? Whose car is this? This is
the Christian WRX.
Yeah?
Yeah. We're swapping the motor out.
Oh shit. Dude, we have like no room in here.
Nope.
How are we gonna do any work?
Well, we're gonna get this car out of here and then we'll have more room.
I count what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 engines and a transmission. What's the transmission here for?
This thing.
Say, what is that thing? Clearly for this, right?
Oh yeah.
No, what is this?
It's my new baby.
What is that? What is this? What? Is it boosted? What is this? Is this WRX?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah! Were you working on a WRX this season?
Yep.
Damn right. Yeah, this is like your dream car, right?
Affordable dream car.
Affordable dream car. Ah, shit, look at that. Got some Bosozuku, or whatever the hell it's called thing.
That's coming off.
Shit, no, that one's coming off? The exhaust? Well, look at that. Look at that, how it just sticks out. This thing run? Wait, it needs a new transmission, you said.
Yeah, it's got a... The person I bought it from swapped the Legacy transmission into it, which the Legacies don't have a speedo gear, so my speedometer's not working.
Ah.
So I had to buy a transmission with a speedo gear.
Ah, alright, well.
Speedometer.
Oh, manual. Yes.
Yeah. Finally.
Yes. So boosted, manual. Yeah, once we put some bolt-ons on this, does it have bolt-ons already?
There's a big list.
Oh, like he's been doing work to it?
As far as engine-wise, really the only thing is it's got the Perrin turbo inlet.
Okay.
Instead of the plastic pipe, it's got the silicone pipe. It's got a ground wire kit.
Okay.
And a CX Racing aluminum radiator.
I see how big that radiator is. Like, that sort of just takes up all the space.
Yep.
That's nice, though.
It's got all new gaskets. The motor's only got like 70,000 miles on it.
Perfect, because we all know Subies need gaskets for real.
It's lowered on coilovers. I bought these wheels for it already.
Are these new wheels?
Yeah.
Cool, man. I like them.
Well, they're used, but they're new for this car.
Hey, man, the whole thing is
They got winter tires on them.
Yeah?
Snow tires.
Oh, this thing knows what snow is. Cool. Hey, wait. Quick question. We got this blue Subaru now, right? We need to know, what are we going to call it?
I don't know.
Alright, well.
You guys let us know.
Yeah, okay, everyone. Comments down below, let us know. what to call the blue Subie, which, you know, Subie, or, you know, what the fuck we're gonna call it. It's fucking awesome, man. You said this thing runs though, right?
Start it.
Yeah, can you start it? Let's see what this thing sounds like.
Yes, I'll continue to tease myself.
Fuck yeah, nice choice.
What? Yeah.
Cool, man. What all do you have planned for this then?
Got a couple things I already bought for it.
For real?
Yep.
Yeah? Well, I'll tell you what.
Shall I tell you or wait and see?
I'll tell you what, this is I think this is a big surprise for everyone for this episode, and we've got a whole lot coming out for the rest of the season, right? So
Oh yeah.
we've got work coming up. We're gonna be doing a lot to the Mazdaspeed Protege 5. We're gonna be trying to have some fun with the Subie. After we fixed all the panels, we don't really want to take it off-roading again, but you know, we'll see what we come up with. And we got the G, of course. I've got some parts laying around the house already to be installed on that. So that's the jump start of season 5. You know how to start your motors in the cold. If you like the videos, make sure to click below to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to share with all your friends. We got lots more content coming up, so stay tuned for that.
Thanks for watching this episode of Mills Garage. Make sure to like and comment below, and share the video, and we'll see you next time.
Hey, Don.
Oh, hi. I thought that was a picture.
Well, it's not. But we just finished up the jump start video, and I just totally realized we don't have one of these Mills Garage decals on the new Subaru yet. So we need to pick out a color, and let us know in the comments down below what color you think would be good on.
Rainbow!
Okay, let us know what color you think would be good on the WRX over there. They are at zturnerdesigns.com/shop. Make sure to pick one up. It helps support the channel and lets us get better content to you guys quicker. So, thanks. Stay tuned.
Rainbow or not?